Hello, dear students. My name is Mariel Socorro Forero. I am your English teacher for English 2 course. For today, I'm going to explain you the activity number 4 that is about the speaking task, okay? Remember that this activity starts from October 23 to November 16 and that you can obtain 19 points, okay? This is the higher score. And on this activity, you need to develop some stages. The number one is develop the modules activities. Please, you need to go to the ebook and develop the activities number 3, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, in the module 5. Okay, you need to answer those activities. Those are about present perfect, and please you need to take 4 screenshots of the activities and copy the screenshots in the forum. Okay, on the second activity you have a video. You need to record a video, okay, about an initial situation using the present perfect, okay, talking about your experience, okay, initial situation experience that maybe you have, and in present perfect, okay. For example, you can talk about ride a horse, jump out of a plane with a parachute, going a foreign country, eat octopus, rat, eat something that is weird, okay, or surf high waves, whatever, okay. In unusual situation, remember that you need the structure for the present perfect. The verbs must be in past participle, okay. You can record the audio using Screencast-O-Matic, and before to record the audio, remember to practice the pronunciation using the natural readers, okay. In the stage number 3, okay, you need to put or to copy the link of the video in the forum. After record the video, you need to upload the video on YouTube and obtain the link, copy the link on the forum, okay? On the stage number 4 is about the feedback, okay? All the students need to make comments or to make feedback about the other videos that your partners send to the forum, okay? You need to make contributions to your partners about the videos. On stage number 5 is send you final task. Okay, you need to upload in a Word document the screenshots about the module 5 and the link about the video. Remember that you must use a cover. Okay. On the stage number 6 is about the interview. We are going to take an interview on this forum. I am going to copy a drive, a link. Is a drive in when you need to enter and you need to register, okay. Register according to the schedule to do the interview with me. In this interview, you must to talk about the experience that you record in the video, okay? About the unusual experience that you told and explained on the video, okay? Taking into account those questions that you have here, because there are some possible questions that I will make you in the interview, okay. And no more, okay. Remember, at the end, send the final document to the evaluation environment, okay. The final task into the environment, the evaluation environment. For example, for the interview, you need to take screenshots during the interview and put the screenshots on the final document, okay. Bye bye, guys. See you soon.